Just another use for this Salt Off SX50. When you finish up your tackle, go to rinse with water if it's ever got some rust on there. You don't want to let them rust. Just grab your jigs, whatever, and I'll just let that soak in the container. 30 ml of SX50 to 1 litre of water, and yeah, let that soak in there a few minutes. Normally gets the rust off pretty good, and it's got some lubricants and stuff in there that stops it from further rusting. I put all my swivels, everything in there, pliers, absolutely anything that's mild steel or rusts gets the rust off too. So yeah, I guess it's got a mild form of acid in there. Yeah, it's bloody brilliant stuff. Use it on my outboard. Yeah, haven't found anything better. I used to use lanolin and stuff on my hooks, find that doesn't deter the fish. But yeah, this just seems a bit easier, less mess. And yeah, just you can rinse it, or you can just leave it as is, leave it to dry. Yeah, it's bloody good stuff. Put it in a little spray bottle and get salt off in areas where it builds up and stuff. Bloody brilliant stuff. I'm not sponsored by these dudes, but I thought they need a shout out anyway. Cheers, guys.